Hey, YouTube, it's Spider-Man. No, it's Mr. Man. It's Deadpool. Okay, you know what? I'm making a lot of mistakes. Okay, so today we are messing with some cups. Oh, I almost knocked it over. So, I was gonna flick it, but I don't wanna. Anywho, hi speaker. Not the book. Uh, Off top. So, today I'm messing with some cups. Some cups. And a throwing star, which is made out of paper. Literal paper. Got plenty of an extra sheet in case this one, goes inside of someone's mouth. I'm gonna eat it. It's tasty, of course. Paper's delicious. So it's got an R on it and an M on all four sides. Meaning, guess what it means? What does it mean? Good boy. It means Mr. R-Man. That's what it stands for. In case you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna start trying to get into this kind of stuff where I do stupid stuff. Maybe even get good at ninja throwing. That's how good of a thrower I am. Got this in case Draco's a brat and tries to eat it. Paper tastes good and all. Soda to drink. Why not? I've been wanting to place the phone somewhere, but I don't know where. I might just hold it. That way you could see me. See how I throw the star. You could just be like, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. How I throw it is just like you saw. I put it between my thumb and index finger like so, and I try to flick more with my wrist. Seems to aim better. Okay, point-wise. We got the center, shoulders, head, arms, legs. Look at those sexy thighs. Anywho, I need to figure out where to put my phone, or if I'm just gonna hold it. So hold on while I try to figure that out. Dang it! It's not gonna work! Run out of stuff! Ta-da! So you see me and the cups, and just test run it. Yeah, this'll work. Finally, something that works. Let's see, we got a chair, a heater, a book, a clock. Are you kidding? I'm just gonna go bake cookies. Oh, fuck this. It's down there. First throw. Victory is mine. Today, I guess 3 minutes, I am going to teach you how to make a throwing star. In 3, 2, 1. What the? Where'd the paper go? Oh my god. It's beautiful. Who threw that? I can't see anything. I only see myself. There we go. Who threw that? Must have been. You know what that means? A real ninja. He whispered to me. He said, subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Anyway, I need to reset these goddamn cups. Oh, don't forget to comment. He also told me, he just whispered that to me. And put away your damn clothes because it looks stupid on your video. But your guitars look awesome, except for that scooter. Anywho, back to the video. I'll get everything set up and we'll actually throw it. Burb. Ah! I bumped it. Oh, hold up. Get out of here, Belt. I'll get it later. Oh, there's another hole. Where's some towels? Here's some towels. Hey, I guess there is a purpose for these towels. Oh gosh, something fell. Ooh, it fell on its head. It's a penny. And this. What is it? I don't know. You think that's good? What do you think? Oh, what if it comes up here? There we go. Now I need to do it on the other side. Oh, what about over here? Shoot. I don't know if I have enough freaking towels. So I need to cover this up. Alright, where's another towel? There's a shirt. Oh, I dropped it. Oh no! I moved the fucking mirror. I didn't know it moved. Okay, coins. Oh, that was loud. I did not mean to make that so loud. There's a lot of change in there. I didn't know there was so much coin. I don't know. Back to this. Okay. Get in there. I'm gonna lose my shirt. I'm gonna be very mad. Alright. Shit, it's still gonna... I don't want to lose this. The shirt. Okay, good. Don't want to be showing off my panties. Oh, did I say panties? I mean underwear. JK. OMFG. Oh, man. Hell. Anywho, we got the cups. Ninja Star. Draco's being a good dog. Was that recording? Oh my god, it was recording. I was just talking to myself. Hi. So, I'd be really mad if it fell. Thanks, Ninja, for the Ninja Star. Alright. Yeah, I'll have to aim myself over here a little bit. Round two. Fight. Yes! I'm a great ninja. There. Next round. He's still alive. Oh! You're being a good boy, Draco. Get out of my way. Oh god, that was loud. My ears hurt. Alright. Oh, come on! Why? There's no wind! Actually, there's some really good throws. You didn't see anything. Okay. I'm getting really mad. Oh, come on! The tissue box wouldn't even hit the puck. The goddamn tissue box wouldn't even do it. The tissue box wouldn't do it. I'm not behind the line. The tissue box, Draco. The tissue box. It's like 3 times the size of this, and I threw it way over there. Victory. I said victory. I'm thirsty, and there's cans everywhere. Look. It's bent. I fucking bent it with the tissue box. Oh, Jesus Christ. I need to fix this. Oh. No, it's still bent. There we go. What do you think? Is that bent? No, it's not. Yeah. Yeah, it is. God damn it. Draco, unbend this for me. Oh, thank you. You did it. No, you didn't. Absolutely nothing. Fucking dog. Oh, I have to reset the fucking cups. Itchy back. Okay, there we go. Ooh, there's a bunch of pennies everywhere. I forgot about that. Reset. Fix it! Ah, I fell. Owie. I fell. Ah. I fell. I was like this far. I was this far off the ground. It hurts. Draco, I told you to fix the damn can. Cup can. See how it's not, oh my god, this is really fucked up. Language. Get out of here, box. Woo! Next, let's add a little bit of oomph to the oomphs. 2 more! Damn it! Wait, you motherfucker! Did you just eat it? Oh, there it is. Oh, thank God. I was so mad at the dog. I'll be right back with more cups. Wait, how many? 1, 2, 3, 2 more. Okay, BRB. Oh, dang it. 12 minutes? I haven't done anything yet. I've just been making a mess of my own room. Fuck, I only needed 2. I got 3. Damn it. Oh, these are bigger. More destruction. And victory. Get out of my face, bitch. Wait, I thought there was a can behind me. I was gonna try to pick it up all cool and smooth. Cool smooth. But no! There we go. And we're missing a cup. It ended up in there. How? You know what? I'm done trying to figure out logic today. Where's my star? What else can I check? Oh, there's my emergency box of tissues for when I need to sneeze. That's what happened. I sneezed really hard, and it was so loud that the camera couldn't hear it. And it launched the tissue box and it destroyed the cans. Whatever those are. Ooh, bonus! If I could hit the can, knock over the soda full of soda. Not even opened. If I can knock it over, that'll be like 1,000,000 points. Oh, great. Now I have to throw from way over here so people can see me. Okay. You know, I'm so tired I don't even care anymore. Did you see that? At least it landed cool. Like a ninja. Just like... Dang. Perfect. Thumbnail. I probably won't make it a thumbnail. I don't do thumbnails. YouTube does the thumbnails for me. I hit the can! Didn't even budge. It didn't budge. You know, I bet you don't even see my head. I'm making weird faces and you probably don't even see my head. God damn it, I'm wasting my time. Tough crowd, tough crowd. Yeah, you probably didn't even see my head. God damn it. I'm making faces for no reason. God damn it. I want to destroy the stack before it's too late. The video's gonna be over here soon. God. Come on, one hit. If I could hit the center cup. I think I know where the center cup is. It'll remove everything. Everything will fall. Victory! Yes! I hit it. I legitly hit it. Yes. Yes. I'm a ninja now. I'm certified. Let's do it again. Dang it, I just had it perfect. I'm a human. There. YMCO. I forgot how to spell my name. MR.RMANM. Fuck it. So, as you can see, I stacked it really weird. You know, we got the boop 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 boops, and then we got the boop boops, and then the boops, and then the boop boops, and then the boops. Get it? If you don't, well, that's your fault. Hit the mirror! Ugh! About to sneeze again. Gonna need these in case I sneeze. Ooh, soda. Ah, my leg hurts. Every time I make videos. Okay. Damn, I gotta really slide over. Third time's the charm, right? Now put it back. Oh Jesus, that almost collapsed. And I have an untied shoe. Just fall over onto it. That'd be fun. Oh my God! I didn't even know stars can do that. It's in the wood. It slid into the cracks right here. Right in there. Not even joking. I can't make that stuff up. You know, I need at least Draco's help, who's just slobbering over here over those massive, beautiful stack of cups and my throwing star and how amazingly not it is. Alright. Coming to a close. People are getting bored. They don't care about this video anymore. They probably, most of them, exited. And go! No! We're done here.